All right, Chevelle fans, let's take a look at this one. 1970 Chevelle SS396 car. Now this particular car is a true SS, and we know that due to the fact this is a numbers matching engine in this car. So the VIN derivative is stamped right on the block where it should be. We do have a picture of that, and I'll tell you where you can see the pictures here in a little bit also. This particular car is pretty much a survivor. The way it sits, very original car, has had one repaint along the way. It is originally a forest green car. Be paint code 48, and then an A behind it, which is going to denote the white vinyl top, which it also has. So this car sits very much like you would have seen it when it came from Chevrolet back in 1970. This particular car is also a two-owner car, so we know the lineage of it. Original owner is actually still alive. We picked it up from the second owner, who was also familiar with the first owner, so I know a little history to this car. Also has the dark green interior, which would have been trim code 796. That 396 underneath the hood is paired with a 4-speed Muncie transmission, so it is also a 4-speed car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see underneath the hood, interior, engine bay, trunk, everything, undersides of it, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. You can click on that. It's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Again, one repaint. Other than that, pretty much a survivor. It appears that the vinyl top has also been replaced, as nice a shape as it is in. Again, vinyl buckets up front here. The shoulder belts, by the way, notice somebody had taken them out, and those are in the trunk also. Appears to be all original interior. Dash. This one even has an 8-track player in it. I have not had an 8-track put in there to see if it would work or not. The radio does power up. I did have some static. I am in a big metal building here, so as far as reception, not sure if I get reception in here or not with this car, but the radio did power up. I did not have it playing any music. Wipers did work. Some of the things that I went through on it. You can see the car's pretty darn straight up and down it. Again, a true SS 1970 Chevelle. We do offer financing. We do consider trades. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. Something else, this car may qualify for an extended service warranty on it, so you could check with any of the sales consultants that you talk to about this car if you'd like to know more about that. And again, still pictures, so you can see in the trunk, finished off very nicely, still all looks original. Like I said, just that one repaint and vinyl top. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right to it. 507-386-1726 is where we can be reached at. This car, as you can see up front, does have the cowl induction hood to it, power steering, power brakes. Say the paint on it's a nice driver quality paint. Is it a Trailer Queen? No, but is it in very, very nice shape? Yes, you could take this to any of your local shows, any of your cruise-ins. Be proud to drive this car in there. Seems like the 70 is one of the most popular years, especially when you get into a true SS, and then a very original car like this one is. All right. Yeah, and those still pictures, take a look underneath the doors on this thing. Very solid. Look at the underside of the car. Extremely solid car. Great running, great sounding car, which we're going to fire up here in a second. And again, you can see the seats. Vinyl is not full of rips, tears, or really even hardly worn. As far as that goes, that's that steering wheel. So go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it. Now, I did notice that brake light was on. Did not go off. I pulled the parking brake back, and it does go off. It hangs down just enough to have that light come on. So I think a little bit of adjustment. fix that. As you can see, the tack works. Here's that AM FM with 8-track. See if there's the fuel gauge works. Amps over here appear to work. Temp gauge, I'm assuming, is going to come up as the car warms up. You can see how easily it starts, how nice it idled. Dash is in great shape. Like I said, 4-speed Muncie underneath there. Go ahead and take a look at the headliner. Also in nice shape. I'm going to slip around to the back of this car just so you can hear it idle. No crazy exhaust, just a beautiful sounding 396. Alright, I'm going to come up here, probably pause the video a second so I can get those hood pins out, and we'll pop this hood. One thing I did want to show you while I was up here, there's a little bit of crazing, I guess if you'd call it, just a little bit on this fender and the paint. It's not on the other portions of the hood or other portions of the car. It's just, if you come up on this front part of the top of the fender, you come around to the sides, really nothing crazy done on the sides, just a little on this very top part. You know, if it wasn't quite prepped right or what have you, was repainted, I want to make you aware of that. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's pop this hood and check it out. Alright, here we go. Hood pop. Your Powell induction hood. Direct air cleaner, intake system. Again, nothing really been touched under here. Original engine. Again, power steering, power brakes. See how smooth it runs too. What you'd expect out of a stock SS396 Chevelle. So there you have it. Once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car shipped where you're located at. Talk to your sales associates. This car may qualify for an extended warranty. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you see the still pictures. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That'll take you right to the still pictures, undersides, interior, everything. And of course, give us a call, 507-386-1726. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 car. A true one. Numbers, matching engine. Give us a call.